Real quick, to keep this channel going, check out my book in the description below. NV Tiny House Heaters also with a discount code down below. And coming up, build a tiny house in the desert with us as part of a hands-on workshop near Joshua Tree, California. RelaxShacks.com for the details. What's up, guys? RelaxShacks.com. I'm going to show you a treehouse in progress here in southern Vermont, which is in the same property as the Hermit's Thrush treehouse, which you've also seen on this here channel. I'll put up a link for that. Make sure you check that out. But this is one being built and designed by Rick Sassa that I think you'll dig. So again, this is in the works. So some of what you're seeing here is temporary, and the site is, you know, kind of a mess because it's all construction materials, mainly natural ones. That's kind of Rick's thing. This is going to be one heck of a treehouse. Apparently, there's going to be a bedroom up here, and somehow he's going up a third story on one of the sides that will cantilever over. That's kind of his style. If you saw the other treehouse, it has a big, you know, upstairs section that cantilevers over the base or bottom floor of the treehouse. And like the other one, you have to walk the plank, yar, to get inside. So if you look approach-wise, he has quite a few turnbuckles, you know, big old lag bolts or screws, it looks like, because they're not going all the way through the tree as far as I can see. Holding this up, those are huge. Tethered around these logs from the property, which also have almost like these post cleats, if you will, or these posts that are notched that are holding them up as well. Because this treehouse, like other treehouses, is not made of 2x3s, 2x4s. These are full out logs, in many cases locust trees, which are heavy. Bunch of recycled sliders. Let me show you the inside. So here's the scope of it. I don't know how much justice this, you know, will be done by my camera. Apparently he's going to insulate this one, the other one is not. It's a big room. I would say this room is 30 feet long, 25 feet long. You can have these views into the woods. His property is amazing. 17 acres here, which you can rent. This is the second year I've stayed here. It's so awesome I came back. True plank floors. You know, when I say that, I mean 1.5 inch thick. He's notching this post, this tree he brought in. Is this alive still? No. Okay, it's just a tree cut down, or cut. This is going to be a spiral staircase. Oh, and here's more insulation board as well. And this would take you up to the bedroom. It's going to be something else. This isn't focusing for some reason. Kind of a reverse view here. There we go. Finally focusing. Kind of. Showing you what this room will look like. When it's peppered with furniture and things like that, it's going to look awesome. Ceilings are plywood. He'll probably paint those, I'm guessing, because in the other treehouse, all the tin roof and exposed stuff is painted more natural colors. So they blend in, so it seems more natural. To use that word 4 times in a row. And just a glimpse into the mind of Mr. Rick Sassa. Highly recommend staying at this place. It's a lot of fun. The whole environment's very Hobbit-esque. Apparently he's taking some old vintage fridge and covering it with bark and trees. I don't know, it looks like a project in the works, not close to finished. With slab legs. And as you head out this way, back to the bridge I came across, which hasn't been trimmed out, you can see the, let's see, the kitchen cabana that we've been cooking in with my family is over there in the distance. You might be able to see it. This is a little down a path, a shower house or a shower room that's open to the sky. And kind of glimmering through the woods around here, you can see the roof of the treehouse we stayed in. And one last shot of this bad boy, because she's a huge. Just want to share, not action-packed, but might give you some ideas in terms of treehouse design, especially seeing the undercarriage of it. I'm Deke for RelaxShacks.com. Please subscribe, and we will see you later. Thanks for watching.